Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Facebook comments not showing or Facebook comments not loading on Facebook app on your phone. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. So first of all, open Play Store, tap on search for Facebook and tap on it. Scroll down. Now here you will say you are a beta tester. Tap on leave. It will say if you decide to leave, you may need to uninstall the beta app and reinstall the public version. Your app data may be lost. This is okay. You can simply click on leave. Now it is saying removing you from the beta. It can take a few minutes to remove you from the beta program. Now once you leave the beta version, now you have to uninstall the Facebook completely from your device. So you can either tap and hold Facebook app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm it. Or you can also open Play Store, tap on search for Facebook and tap on it. And then you can click on uninstall over here to uninstall it. So tap on uninstall and again click on uninstall to confirm. Now go back. Now next step is to force stop Google Play Store and clear its cache. So tap and hold the Google Play Store app icon, click on more features and then click on app info. Now first of all, force stop the Google Play Store. So tap on force stop and then again click on force stop to confirm. Now tap on storage usage and then click on clear cache. Do not tap on clear data, only tap on clear cache and confirm it. Now go back. Now simply reinstall the Facebook app. So open Play Store, tap on search for Facebook and tap on it, then tap on Facebook and then click on install button to reinstall it. And once the Facebook app get reinstalled, then you can go ahead, launch the app and log into your account, and then you can see that comments are showing and it is loading on your Facebook app. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you can install the older version of Facebook app from the UpToDown website. So first of all, uninstall Facebook app from your phone, then open Chrome and in Chrome search for Facebook UpToDown and search for it. Then tap on the UpToDown website, Facebook for Android, download the APK from UpToDown. Tap on the first result, scroll down, then tap on older version and then you can install the 554, that is March 28, 2026 version, or you can also install the 553 March 24. So tap on March 24, scroll down, tap on download, click on download anyway. And once this Facebook 553 version get downloaded, you can tap on it and install it. And after installing it, then you can go ahead, launch it and log into your account and then check Facebook comments are showing or not. Alternatively, you can also download Facebook Lite app. This is this Facebook Lite app. Just install it and then you can launch it and log into your account and check Facebook comment is showing or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Facebook comments not loading or not showing problem on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.